Yo, what's good gamers? Welcome back to one of my videos. In today's video, we're gonna review the Fifine K050 mic. The company sent me an email a few weeks ago asking if I wanted to review the mic, and I said sure. But they're not paying me or telling me to say anything about the mic. So if the mic is good, I'll tell you, and if the mic is not, I'll also tell you. Alright, let's get right into the video, guys. Alright, here's some general information about the mic. The K050 is a Cardioid USB microphone, meaning that you don't need to have any audio interference to use the mic. The mic is basically plug and play. The mic is also what we call a gooseneck mic, so you can adjust it to any position you want to. The mic is 6.1 inches tall and 2.5 inches wide. It's a small mic, so it won't take too much space on your desk. It also has a good response range. The mic will set you back around $18 on Amazon, and it comes in 4 different colors: black, blue, pink, and silver. Alright, now that we have all the technical specifications out of the way, let's see what's in the box. The first thing you get is a starter manual. It shows how to use the mic and how to set it up with either Windows or Mac. The next thing you get is a pop shield, which is a noise protection filter so you don't get the pop sounds when you're talking into the mic. The last thing is, of course, the microphone itself. The mic comes with a very long cable so you can use it far from your computer. A good feature of the mic is that it's all made of metal, so it won't break easily. Now let's get into what you guys came here for, some mic tests. For the best listening experience, make sure you guys are wearing your nifty headphones. I'm also not going to be doing any post-processing or editing of the audio, so this is going to be straight off the microphone itself. Alright, so right now I'm talking about 4 inches away from the microphone. I adjusted the mic level so it won't be so loud. Keep in mind that you don't have to talk this close to the mic. I'm only doing it so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Alright, right now I'm talking about 12 inches away from the mic. This is the recommended distance that you should talk from the microphone itself. If you guys hear a little bit of background noise, it's just because of the fans on my computer. It has nothing to do with the mic. And right now I'm typing in a keyboard with Cherry MX switches. I'm about the same distance, 12 inches. Just so you guys can hear what it sounds. Me clicking on the keyboard. Alright, the last thing we're going to test is the pop shield that comes with the mic. For that, I'm going to say a bunch of words that start with P so you guys can see the difference. Puzzles, pizza, Pandora, payback, pick off. Alright, that should be enough. My overall thoughts on this microphone are that I think this is a great microphone, both for using it as your main microphone or just using it as a side microphone for Discord or Skype or whatever voice chat service that you use. I'm personally going to be using this microphone for my Discord voice chats during my live streams, so that's going to come in handy having an external microphone to do that. Microphones are something that you need to choose very carefully, because if you don't, you're gonna get a bad one and you're gonna start sounding like my boy Hogwarts the Alien here, and I don't think we want that for your live streams, so people are not gonna watch you. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this review of the Fifine K050 USB Cardioid microphone. If you guys did, as always, make sure to drop that like, subscribe if you guys have not already. And if you guys have any questions, you can either join my Discord server or just leave them in the comments below. I'll try to answer all of them. And if you guys want to check out the microphone on the Amazon, the link is in the description. Foxy HD signing off for now. Catch you guys in the next video or live stream.